Hari Om friends. Let's understand who is an Adhikari, who is a person who's fit for meditation. The scriptures gives us a great insight into it. They say an Adhikari, a person who's fit for meditation, is one who practices the yogas. Hatha yoga, the yoga of compulsion, whereby you take care of your physical body in such wondrous ways. There is physical well-being and you almost rise above the body consciousness. The physical body is so well protected and taken care through Hatha yoga, the yoga of compulsion. Next, the Adhikari is one who performs karma yoga, the yoga of action. Karma means action, whereby they are able to offer their efforts, their services to a higher ideal, whereby they transcend the doership in their activities. There is no ego associated in the way they function in the world. Their activities are pure and noble, directed for a common cause. Karma yoga. Next, bhakti yoga, the yoga of devotion, where emotions become pure, where emotions have a certain sanctity, value to it, where you have all emotions but don't become emotional, where you have all sentiments but you don't become sentimental. The best of emotions you have, and whereby whatever you do is worship. Like karma yoga, work becomes worship. In bhakti yoga, the emotions becomes pure and serene. Next is jnana yoga, the yoga of knowledge. Karma yoga and hatha yoga are directed to the physical body and actions. Bhakti yoga is directed to your mind, manas. Jnana yoga is directed towards the intellect, the buddhi, whereby you develop such clarity in thinking. As a result, there is power in you. Not externally, internally there's power in you to control the mind, to direct the mind, to supervise the mind. When you have performing these yogas well, hatha, karma, bhakti and jnana, yoga of compulsion, yoga of action, yoga of devotion, yoga of knowledge, you reach a certain state of uparati, of withdrawal. There's a certain sense of a mental withdrawal from the world. You're very much in the world. You are dealing with the marketplace. You are with one and all, but there is a certain objectivity you gain. It's not indifference, it's objectivity you gain. And with that, you gravitate to a state of dhyana, meditation. Again, friends, meditation is the art of focusing your mind to a single thought to the exclusion of all other thoughts. No other thoughts disturb you. It could be meditation is just the chant of silence. It is just that you have reached that state of maturity, purity. That's meditation. Therefore, we become meditative. You don't practice meditation to find peace. It's a peaceful mind which gravitates to meditation. Think about it. The Mind and Intellect platform is designed for unlearning and relearning. And if you like these videos, please do share with your friends and let more people get benefited from these knowledges. Think about it. Thank you all.